Hey, I'm Aria. Let's make Excel Excel. Today we're covering CONCAT. It stands for concatenate, and it lets you merge text from multiple cells into one. The syntax is simple. Concat followed by your text arguments, which can be cell references, ranges, or static text typed directly into the formula. No delimiters added automatically. Let's get into it. Here we have two tables with text split across multiple cells. Click the result cell in row 3 and type equals concat. Instead of selecting each cell individually, select the entire range B3 to D3. Hit Enter. The three strings merge into one. Notice there are no spaces between them. That is because concat does not add separators of any kind. It joins whatever is in each cell exactly as it is. Any spacing, commas, or other characters you need between values must already exist inside the source cells. Row 4 works the same way. Select the range B4 to D4. This time the source text already has spaces built in, so the result reads cleanly. Now let's mix cell references with static text. Click D7 and type equals concat. Select B7 as the first argument, then add CHAR 10, the line break character. It puts a new line between your values instead of a space. Then select C7 and add an exclamation mark in quotes. Quoted text is a static argument, meaning you type it directly into the formula rather than referencing a cell. Hit Enter. The cell only shows the first line because wrap text is off. Click wrap text and the result appears on two lines, Avengers, then Assemble. One thing to keep in mind, concat replaced the older concatenate function, and Microsoft recommends using concat going forward. The old function still works, but may be retired in a future update. If you need delimiters between your values, like a comma or a space, you have two options. Either include them as static text in your formula, or switch to TEXTJOIN, which has built-in delimiter support. That's how you make Excel Excel. If you want to take your Excel work further, check out SpreadsheetWeb at www.spreadsheetweb.com. Turn your Excel model into a fully interactive web app with no coding required. Links below.